In this video, I have prepared a fun sequence for International Rumba. This is gonna feel a little bit more Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I have prepared a nice fun sequence for International Rumba. This particular sequence is going to challenge you to incorporate all the details that we discussed so far in International Rumba Latin dance drills. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before we try this practice to the music, I would like to show you guys how to do this practice properly. For your ease of learning, I'm going to be standing off to the side so you can see my steps clearly. To start this practice, we're going to place our left foot forward without weight, so our full weight is going to be on our right foot. I'm going to verbalize each step so it's easy for you to hear and try it along with me. I'm going to step back with the left, step back with the right, step forward with the left, and step forward with the right. Again, forward with left, forward with right, turn to the left, and step back to the left. Bring your right foot closer to the left, switch of the weight, step forward with the left, step forward with the right, and check position with the left, which means forward, replace weight, and step back with the left. This time we're going to step back with the right foot, replace weight to the left, step forward with the right, into a spiral turn to the left. Step forward with the left, forward with the right, turn around to the left, and begin from the top by left foot going backwards. Let me add counting to the steps so it's easy for you to count in the musicality of International Rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. For this sequence, in the beginning of the time, get comfortable with taking the step at the right time, towards the right direction. Once you feel comfortable and have built strong muscle memory for the steps and the timing, you can begin to play with the idea of brushing your feet and brushing your ankles as you walk forward and back. Another important thing is a Cuban and pendulum motion. During our Rumba pendulum and rocking practice, which I will put it in the description box below, you can begin to play with the idea of using your hip motion as you're walking forward and back. So I highly encourage you guys to get comfortable with the steps and the timing and then begin to add details such as hip motion, pendulum motion, and even the arm styling, incorporating our samba upper eights practice. Now, it is time for us to try to the music.
I can't even explain it, nah. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a fool. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away.
Thank you so much guys for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun Latin dance sequence, and I hope that this sequence is going to challenge you to grow into a beautiful, amazing Latin dancer. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another dance. Bye!